Anyways guys, hindi ko pala nasabi anong pageant yung sasalihan ko. Guys, today, hindi pala today. This is our first time joining a pageant. It's called the Kambining Inhinyera. So, 4 regions ang may representative, which is North Luzon lang. Kasi yung convention namin is NLAA, North Luzon Area Assembly. So, I will be representing Region 1. Wow! Talagang di natin na-expect yan. So, let's see guys kung anong mangyayari. Huwag na akong mapahiya. That's all good. So, yeah. Also, hindi ko na rin pala naipakita sa inyo yung yung pictorial namin. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nun. I'm so sorry guys. Hindi ko kayo nakalimutan. It's just that my mind is so puno ng iniisip na. So yeah, it's currently 5:33 p.m. We're late, but it's okay. Bukas ang call time namin is 7 a.m. So please pray for me guys. So baka na to, next year ko na to ma-upload. Charas. Dami ko pang i-edit. Pasensya na guys. Ganda pa naman ng plano ko na sa first day mag-vlog ako habang naka-Filipiniana. Bakit ba ako nag-agree sa ganitong, and then for the experience, for the vlog, okay, teacher Maddie, bye guys. It's 7:50 and we're on our way home. Sorry, hindi na ako nag video during our practice. Maybe tomorrow na lang because umulan and medyo na late ang practice namin. But it's okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for the D-Day of our talent and ano ba to? Yung sports juju. Yeah. Bye. Good morning guys. So, it's the D-Day. Ayun. Kakahatid lang ng kapatid ko sa akin. Kasi hindi pa bukas yung gate. So, naglalakad ako. So, it's currently, anong oras na? 6:22. Di ba? Ang aga ko. Ang call time namin 7 a.m. Tapos, dito na lang daw ako ayusin, sabi nila, Ma'am IC. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys our, guys, it's 39th North Luzon Area Assembly. So, let's go. I don't know where I'm gonna wait. Saan ba kami? Who would have thought? Bigla akong mapapa-ano dito. Mapapa-reflect. Because who would have thought? Me? In my 23s? Joining a pageant? Crazy. Oh my gosh. Guys, please pray for me. Ang wish ko lang ang prayer ko lang is hindi ako mapahiya. That's all. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Also guys, meron akong bagong achievement. Like, ang feeling ko nung nag-weigh na ako ng weight ko. Ang naabutan ko ng weight ko is 54. Ever since since high school. Pero ngayon, na siya. Ngayon lang ako nag-weight, actually kagabi. Ngayon lang ako nag-kilo na 50.3 ano yun, 49 pa. Or 45. Guys, ngayon lang nagkaroon ng 50 sa ano ko, pagkikilo ko. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself. Kasi, last 2 weeks, ano, yung kilo ko, yung weight ko is like 52 point something. So, sabi ko, baba na to. Tapos, biglang nag-50 naman. So, hehe, proud of yourself. Anyway, sabi ko nang sinasabi talaga. Sige. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! Hi! Hi!
Okay. Ay.
Sabi ko, hi! Hindi mag-smile.
Hi.
Ganda. It's currently raining right now. 7:02 and Stadia is still closed. Oh, okay.
Nabigat siya.
As a DNR host of the Vienna Undisputed Region and the EG1. Please welcome, presenting you right now, Region 1! Our Region 1 of the EG 2024.
Pinagtamping-tamping kasi hindi matatang.
Talent na agad, parang wala pang 5 minutes yung ano,
Rampa.
rampa.
Ganyan talaga.
Ito yung mamimilap sa'yo. Ay, wait.
Paklakaw doon.
Hi guys. Uy, mag-hi kayo.
Full make up. Hindi full make up. Mama, let's go.
Okay, be.
Ma'am, saan ang kakasal?
Ala, nasumbong kita kay Mama Edwin.
May foundation.
Bakla! Ang iti foundation!
With mist. Ako gabay ng sisinay kay Payla.
Arte, oh.
Ako
Arte ng
gabay
partner
with
ko.
face mist. Pinaga na pagbaga.
Ganyan na daw agad. Foundation na
Ako
mismo.
gabay niya. Hindi na. Balag ba
Kaya ka na ini.
Ayan na daw.
Ano mo?
Yung sa'yo, balag.
Ay, baka may...
Kay dat...
Kamusta po yung minimikapan niyo, ma'am? Okay naman. Iabot mo na yung screen niya kasi malapit na sa...
Hello. I'm feeling nervous.
Lupa'y para mong inaalon Narunod sa matipos ng mundo Bigang-bigat sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad Parang wala nang hanggan Hinahanap ang sarili ngunit di nakakayanin sa likang dinadaanan ko Sana na to magtungo
day one is done.
Thank you po. Thank you.
How was it? How was it? How
Thank
was
you mga tao. It's so worth it. Lahat. Promises. We're rooting.
Let's go! Hi guys, this is our day 2 and the D-Day of our Lacambining Inhinier journey in Manila. We're on our way to Stadia to meet the peeps at para mag-practice. Then, pupunta na kami ng bahay para sa makeup stuff. See you later, Manila. It's the D-Day! Guys, we're here na para sobrang competitive nyo!
Ganyan lang. Guys, it's the D-Day! Guys, are you gonna hear me? Sobrang lakas. But this is the day. Hopefully, hindi tayo mapahiya. So, let's go for the memories. And I present to you all three dimensions. Ang gaganda! Guys, please pray for my Hi, Kay. You're on the vlog.
We have also here from the national officers, we have the national vice president for
Region 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Region 1.
Engineer Madeline Quinto Flores, 23, representing Region 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm applause to all our Lacambining Inhiniera. And let's call them once again their final
Guys, we're done na. I think I messed up the Q&A, but, you know, what's done is done, but at least I experienced it and that's it. But I'm feeling sad because sa 34 questions na ni-ready ko, na-blackout na talaga ako. It sucks, but you know, it's okay. Anyways, look at me now. It's pretty, it's pretty. Hey. Guys, this is Anthony. This is Aldrin. This is my busy parents. This is Mom Izzy and Mom Romeo. I'm sorry again. Thank you, team. I'm sorry for failing you. Parang di ako
Congrats pa din. Nagwawa yung talo. May pag-asa pa tayo.
Mom, hindi pa tapos din yun na. Yung attachment issues ko kasi hindi ko na kayo makikita.
Meron pa tayo. Ano lang tayo ng ano? Sabay-sabay tayo pinulunod. Hindi pa trophy muna pala to. Yeah. Aki matatagis to.
For those who are champion from our region, Kay Angela Rizal and Jessamine Patsuya.
Wait. Parang itim-itim mo naman.
That's our doubles women.
Susunod na araw na lang pag hindi ka busy.
Okay, Mom.
Bye-bye. Ayoko yan.
Ingat kayo.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Congrats po. Bye, ma'am. Meron pa, meron pa.
Mom, I feel so sad.
Wala pa, mamaya tayo iiyak. Pag wala na doon kami, huwag ka
Hindi ako iyak eh. Hindi ako iyak sa inyo.
Okay yung umiyak. Okay, sige na. May technique doon, tatahiin mo lang.
Maybe because it's my first time.
Yeah. And that first time is very special. Yes, because...
Because it may be the last.
No. No.
Future
tayo.
Daddy, tama na to ah. Sana na-game proud ka sa sarili.
And now let's proceed with our ball.
Time A, ang sarap-sarap. B, ng ating balat. C, lasang chocolate. D, sinilaan na.
Guys, kahit sa practice namin kaya kinakanta nila. Tapos ako Uy, paano kayo uwi mamaya? Bye.
Congratulations to Engineer Nelson.
Yes,
Engineer Nelson from Region 3. Our
Because it's already 10 p.m. and there is no
Siguro.
parang booking.
Siguro.
And representing for
Jiparo parang booking.
What's up?
You know what, Jiparo?
Yeah. Okay guys, mamaya na later na lang.
our day 2 and the last day of our NLAA convention. So, ang atake today is casual or business attire. So, outfitan, ganyan. Dadaan natin sa kulot-kulotan. So, yun lang guys. I'll see you guys there. Wait na ako ni Angel doon. So, ayun. Hi! Hello vlog.
Should be the
Basi mag-hello vlog ka.
I think
Hello vlog.
should be financial report separate or maybe separate.
Hello vlog.
Not sa motion sa chairman na isuisip your
Paano to yung ano? Ay, nasundan niya yung mukha ko to. Thank you, Ate Dane. Baka maangas yan.
Thank you so much, Ate Dane.
Anong masasabi mo po?
On the genetic engineering
Lunchtime. Pero tapos na ako.
Good morning, everyone. Magandang
Habang titiktok kami, tapos di niya man lang kami tinawag.
Andun na sila lahat.
Okay.
Sige, kaya pa. Kasya pa.
Sir! Hi! Mag-hi ka, sir. Mag-hi ka. Ay, hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Sir! Hi. Hello, vlog. Mag-hi ka, sir. Sabi ko. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Hello, vlog. Hello, vlog.
Welcome.
Hello, vlog. Nandiyan si Sir Aaron.
Iba na kasi ang US citizen. Hello.
Sama kayo. Zoe, say hi. What's that? What's that? Is that you? Ismael. Ismael. Ang kanya daw ate.
So guys, nakauwi na ako. And actually kanina pa mga alas 6 ganun. Alas 9 na, ang galing. Akala ko nakakuha ako ng matinong shot for end ng convention natin. Pero wala. Ang galing ko talaga. Tingnan nyo, sa dami-dami ng makeup and stuff. Breakout na naman si Bading. Anyways, ayun guys. Future Maddie, I hope you're still proud. Kasi nagawa natin to. Kasi who would have thought, diba? Like, since high school, sobrang takot talaga akong humarap sa crowd. Especially kapag lahat ng mata nasa'yo. And, guys, kung kilala niyo talaga ako, sobrang bukod ko talaga maglakad. So, kahit na inaas ko sila, Ma'am Izzy, yung mga tumulong sa akin para magawa yung paano yung tamang paglakad, pagtayo, at pag-project. Tinatanong ko sila if nag-improve ba ako simula nung umpisa, yung first day namin na magkasama hanggang sa latest. Sabi naman nila malaki naman daw yung improvement. So, sana future Maddie, matandaan mo pa rin kung ano yung tinuro. I mean, for future, lang. Hindi naman sila sabing sasama ka pa ulit kasi yung last na yun talaga. But, ayun. Yun lang naman guys. Yun lang naman yung habol ko is that, yung experience and ano talaga ako, puro ano na lang. Talaga ako, nag-fail talaga ako sa Q&A. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung narinig yung mga audio kagabi kasi hindi ako nag-mic. Pero, ayun, minsan talaga kapag over-prepared ka, pag nandun ka na sa stage, as in, blank ko yung isip. So, I really messed up the Q&A portion. I was like, all of the words all of the possible questions, pati yung answers, talagang na gulo-gulo na sa isip ko. So, ayun. So, thank you pa rin kasi nagawa ng tama kahit pa paano. So, yeah. We made it, guys. Ngayon yung day 2. Natapos din. So, masaya naman kahit pa paano. Kaya, it's really like, wala siya sa bucket list ko, pero naisulat ko siya at na-checkan. Tama? Tama. So, ayun. Ito na-achieve na ng 23-year-old Maddie ang pagsama sa mga ganitong event team nila. So, yun. Kahit na yung sa part ng Q&A is hindi sa in-expect ko. I'm so grateful talaga kay Nerd na sinamahan niya ako during that time. And, ayun. Yun lang guys, yung experience ko. And, hindi ko na na-film yung ibang parts kung saan uma-attend kami ng MJ sa practice. Hindi ko alam kung may isasama ko yung clip, yung paglakad ko nung mga practice namin. Kasi actually ayaw kong panoorin kasi nagki-cringe ako kasi parang, am I doing this right? So ayun. Ito yung first vlog ko sa Pilipinas na matino na So ayun guys, yun lang. Ang dami ko nang nasabing, so ayun. Ayun na. It was such a very good experience. So, bye! Ala, ang lala ng ano ko. Oh no, oh no, oh no.